On math lesson 4.5, we continue to talk about measurement. Last week we worked on measuring things with a ruler, using centimeters, and then also using inches. Today we're just kind of doing a little bit of a review. We also talked about how we can use different things to measure objects. And today in our math work, they are using paper clips. And they want you to look at both of these drawings of pencils, and then they are using paper clips to measure the pencils. And question number 1 says, circle the better measurement. Look at this pencil and look at how they measured the pencil. And look at this pencil and how did they measure this pencil. Which one do you think is the better measurement? Would it be pencil number 1 or pencil number 2? Go ahead and circle what you think. The better measurement would be pencil number 2. And the reason is, look at how they've started their paper clip at the very beginning of the pencil here, and they end it right at the tip of the pencil. So the better measurement would be this down here, using the 3 paper clips. Notice up here how they left gaps in spacing. That doesn't give us a very accurate idea of how to measure something. So the best answer would be pencil number 2. How long is the pencil? About blank paper clips long. Let's count the paper clips. 1, 2, 3. Write your answer in here. Then down here it says, use paper clips from your measuring kit. How long is this pencil? I have some paper clips here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the very beginning, and I'm going to measure my paper clip. Measure with paper clips. You can either use a bunch of paper clips or you can just flip your paper clip over, but count how many times you're doing it. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to start with 1 paper clip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took about 5 paper clips of this size to measure my pencil. So I would write in here about 5 paper clips long. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the pen. Question number 3 says, how long is the pen? Let's measure it again. I'm going to start at the very tip, flip it, 1, 2, 3. It's a little longer than 3. But it's about, when it says the word about, it doesn't have to be exact, but what's it closest to? I would say about 3 paper clips long. Okay, that is our lesson for lesson 4.5. And then we have a math box to complete as well. And I'll put that up here. Oh, one thing I wanted to remind you about this too. Remember too, I have actually 2 different sizes of paper clips. So if your paper clip could be a little bit bigger than my paper clip, so your answer might be just a little bit different, and that's okay. That's okay. All right, because we know that not all paper clips are exactly the same size. All right, in our math boxes for today, these are problems that are review problems that you should be able to do by yourself. I'll read the problems and then you can choose an answer. Number 1 says, use your number line, start on 7, count up 0. Where do you land? This one's a pretty easy one. 7 plus 0 equals what? Choose the best answer. Fill in the best answer. Number 2 says, use your number line to solve. 4 plus what equals 8? 8 minus 4 equals what? Can you count back to solve both number sentences? Could we count back solving both of these? Write yes or no. And then on number 3, it wants you to write the number sentences. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 dots in the first half of my domino. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the second half of my domino. So I'm going to write my number sentence, 6 plus 6 equals, I know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. Do the same for the rest of the dominoes. Write your number sentence. Number 4 says, how many arms are in your classroom? Count by twos. Well, there are 17 students in our classroom when everybody is here. So that means you count by twos 17 times. So use your number line, and remember how we hopped on a number line counting by twos? Do that 17 times and see where you land for number 4. And that's our math for Tuesday.